Hey y'all, and hey mom. Please mind the bird's nest of my hair. Today I wanted to share a few products that I really enjoy that are from Texas, along with a first impressions with the Makeup and Chill palette from Kiss Me Now Cosmetics. If you're interested in seeing a few smaller brand items, indie brands I guess is the best way to put it, and you want to know how I got this eye look, go ahead and keep watching. So I want to go ahead and start off with the eyeshadow palette. This is the only item that I'm showing you today that I haven't used before. And it's the Kiss Me Now Makeup and Chill palette. And I've shown this before because my wife has it, but I haven't used it. So I actually went and bought my own because they were on sale. And they are still on sale for $25. So it's like super colorful and I'm pretty excited. But before I start applying my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and put a bit of loose powder underneath my eyes because these are vibrant colors and I haven't used it before. I may look crazy, but this is how we're going to do it today. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is going to be the shade Yaz, which this is a very like bright matte purple. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that one in my crease. Wow, that is some bold color right there. I'm just going to keep swiping it back and forth, blending it out as I go. Man, that is some pigment. I feel like I should have dusted my brush off first. It looks a little bit messy right now, but I plan on covering that up. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Balm. It's this matte hot pink right here. And I'm going to go ahead and brush that underneath the purple that I put in. So just on my crease. Gosh, I do feel a little bit awkward filming because it's been so long, but I feel like with everything going on, including, you know, the pandemic, it's just been long. My husband and wife both got COVID. At first we thought my daughter did too, but her test came back negative. And like the craziest thing is though, is I didn't get sick. Like I got tested for COVID negative and the boys never got sick. So it was weird how that worked out. Cause you know, we all live under the same roof. You would think, you know, all of us would have gotten it. It just didn't happen that way. So now that everybody's over being sick, I feel like some of our life is returning back to normal. But at the same time, I mean, things in Texas just keep getting worse and worse. And it's kind of embarrassing because everybody's looking at people in Texas and Florida like we don't know how to listen and don't know how to follow the rules, which is kind of the case right now. So I'm actually going to take a clean brush and just blend it all together. Just so that way it's much smoother, because that last shade I was packing in my crease opposed to just blending it. And I always have a problem doing this eye on camera. I don't know if it's because I'm right-handed and the way that I like to look at my mirror, but on camera, I'm telling you, I have such a problem doing this side of my face. The next shade I want to dip into is the shade Love, which is actually very similar color to this. It's like a matte, bright coral. And I'm going to go ahead and pack that on the inner and the outer corner. I'm not too worried about being messy in the middle because that's when I'll pull out the other palette. So, which is also another Texas brand. Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna go back in with that clean brush and I'm just gonna continue to blend everything together. And I want to go ahead and come back to this palette, but I want to apply some glitter. And the palette that I'm going to be using for that is Texas House of Glitters. So this is, you know, another brand based in Texas. I found this on Etsy. She basically just does glitters. So this is like the glitter palette. Now this one's the Texas Towns one. Unfortunately, I don't know the shades. I should have written them down, But I'm going to dip into like this peachy coral one right here. I will link this palette in the description below, and I will also type out the shades that I used from this palette. And at first I'm going to just go in with my finger, and I'm going to pat it in the center of my eyelid. But one really cool about the Texas House of Glitters is all the glitter is biodegradable. And I thought that was like the coolest thing ever, because you always see like plastic and glitter, and it's obviously not biodegradable. And hers are. So I don't know what the ingredients exactly were that makes it biodegradable, but that is like a big thing that she says about her stuff. I just press a little bit on the center of my eyelid, and then I'm going to go in with a silicone brush and intensify it. I like to use this angled one right here. It looks like an eyeliner brush, but it's silicone. And I'm going to use it to pick the glitter up so I can pack it on my eye. But I just like to pick up a little bit on the brush and then pat it on. I've actually used this palette a lot. It's kind of hard to tell because every time like I'm done using it, I kind of repress it all together because it does fall apart when you use it. But it's not really hard. It's not that hard to fix. But I have thoroughly enjoyed using this. And honestly, what caught my eye is that it's Texas towns, and like there's shades from where I live currently and also where I'm from in Texas. So I thought it was just really cool to pick up and own as part of my makeup collection. And like when I repress it, I just take like the plastic piece that came with it, and I just kind of like put it in the middle and kind of press hard on the palette, and it kind of just puts everything back in place. For the bottom lash line, I really want to use the shade Dance. So it's the darker vibrant pink, but with gold glitter in it. So it's got like little glitter bits in it. And I want to just bring it down under my lash line. I kind of actually want to deepen up the purple. It looks like some of it's kind of faded away, probably from me trying to blend it all out. I'm just going to reapply a little bit more of the shade Yaz. And then for the inner corner, I want to go ahead and use the shade Glamour. So this is like a very shimmery champagne shade. And I'm just going to pick it up on a smaller brush and just pack it in my inner corner. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that shade just underneath my brow. Now I want to go ahead and move on to some lashes, and I'm going to apply them off camera and stuff. But I do have 3 sets of lashes, and these are also from Kiss Me Now Cosmetics. She started, well, I think it was like the first lash subscription like was in the month of May. And what it is every other month you pay $30 and you get 3 sets of lashes. So for the month of May and June, or the months of May and June I should say, you got the style Soulmate, which look like this. And then Classic, which look like these. And then Goddess, which are like these big fluffy ones right here. So today I think I'm going to be using the style, I think I'm going to go ahead and just go in with the classic ones right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes and put on some few other things, and then we'll get back into the other items I have. Alright, awesome. So I went ahead and finished up my face for the most part. The next product is also from Texas. What a surprise. And this is actually from the spray tanning salon I go to. And she has like her own little line of tanning products that you can also get online. So you don't just have to be in the area to buy it. And this is her setting powder. And it's for You also use it to like set your spray tan. You could also use it if you use the tanning lotion and set that. But it's also got like mica in it, so it's like a glowing powder as well. So, ooh. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and just like kind of frame my face with it. But I'm just going to use it to kind of just like frame my face. Ooh, that's a crap ton right there. Just to like give you a little glow. So I really enjoy that. That is also on her website, and I'll link all of that down below. So, and there's actually 2 more products I actually really like from her line, or like from her salon. And this one is like, I think this would also work if you don't tan, like if you just need like a bronze to your skin. But this is like a tan extend, like a spray tan protectant, or to keep your spray tan lasting longer. And I've already used half of this. I absolutely love it. And it has, like, when you use tanning products, you always get like that fake tan smell. This doesn't smell like it. So this is also a fantastic product from a Texas owner, along with her self-tan face mist. I really like this one because I've tried quite a few of them, and usually like you'll spray it and then like later on you'll realize, because you do it, you know, under your makeup or even just like before you go to bed as part of your skincare routine, and you'll notice some of them will just have droplets of tanner spots on your face. This one, the mist is fine enough where you don't get that. And I think this is awesome. And I don't remember the prices of these things, but I will link it all down below with the price as well. So the last product I really like from Texas is the Makeup Junkie bags. Now, I believe these were on Shark Tank actually a few years ago, but these are actually like from Montgomery, Texas, which is actually where I used to live. This one is in the style Meredith, and this one's really cute because they all got waterproof liners on the inside. This one's got like a cheetah print one. But these are great because you can store so much in here because the zip is in the middle and it lays flat. So I have this one, like this is like their small size. They do have one that's probably like this small, which is like meant for your phone or like a lipstick. And they all come with wristlets as well. And this is the next size up, which is the medium one. And this one has like the striped liner on the inside. And then she has even a larger one. So to me, these are really cool, and they're from Texas. So that is it. So that is all I have for today, trying to jump back into things. So if y'all know any other Texas brands or any indie brands that, you know, have really good products, go ahead and suggest them down below in the comment sections. I'd love to look at them and give them a try. But until next time, bye.